Watching the In Vegas Style, and today I have a review for you. Now, this is for my Xbox One S controller, so I wanted to share this with you because I go through batteries like you wouldn't believe. So we're gonna go ahead and review this guy right here. Let me show you up close. That's right, it's a charger with a stand and the battery. So let's get right into it. All right, so like I said, I have the Xbox One S series. I also have the touchpad for this, which I highly recommend. We can go into a different video about that later. I have a regular controller, and this charging unit is really for this color. It doesn't have to be for this color, but I like it. I can't wait to give it a try, but as you can see, I have all these different controllers, and I can't wait to give this a shot. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna turn on my Xbox, my Series S unit, and right here I'm probably gonna get my battery is low. As you can see right now, it actually is low, and it'll pop up in a few seconds, but it's such an inconvenience if you ask me. So one of the questions you might have is, for $40, what do I get for this Razer Universal Quick Charging Stand for the Xbox controller, right? S and X. And here's what you get. All right, so what's inside? Let's take a look. You get the charging stand, you get the rechargeable battery, and then you get the instructions. Xbox Series X or S battery cover, Xbox One battery cover, Type-C, Type-A cable. Now, this is not a unboxing video, but I wanted you to see the way it's actually sealed inside. It's really nice. It's really well taken care of. So just in case you were wondering about that. Okay, so this really wasn't intended as an unboxing video, but I have to tell you, it is really packaged well. Okay, for $40. Now, this cable, take a look. It has this strap on it, first of all. Okay, these ends actually had some caps on them, right? You get these two different type of back covers, right? For back right here, depending on your model. You get the battery. Whoops, you get the battery. This is what it looks like. You get the Razer sticker along with the instructions, but this is the guy. This is the charger, right? It's got the indicator light right in the front. This is the connector for the charger. And then there's that connector for this cable right here. So one thing I have to tell you is that the quality, the actual weight on this is really nice. It feels like a quality item. You might be wondering which one of these cases actually goes to the controller. Well, it is this one, the 3-prong, as you can see right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab this battery, and I wanted to show you the plus and the minus right there. Well, look at that, I cut myself, I didn't even notice. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this puppy in. All right, so hopefully I can do this with one hand without messing it up. Perfect. Then we're gonna go ahead and put this cover on here. Okay, I'm gonna see if I could do that. Nope. Nope. With one hand's a little difficult. All right, there we go. So there it is. That's what that looks like. So it sticks out just a little bit there. But let's go ahead and put it on the dock. So I have this standing up, as you can see, right? So there's the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. And then that's how it just goes in. Really nice, almost really seamless, to be honest. Let me go around in a circle right there. As you can see, looks pretty nice and natural to me right there. Aside from really putting in the cable, I don't think that's really necessary, but you get the gist of it. It is good, and I don't know, I just like it. So hopefully this review was good for you. And with that, thanks for watching. You're watching the In Vegas Style.